Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome here if you're new. Today's video is going to be a clean and organize the fridge with me, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. Lucas! Cheese! I love you. Okay, so I'm first going to start off by cleaning up this giant mess that Lucas has made with, I think, like some Cheerios or Lucky Charms or something. I tried to distract him with a bowl and some of this to like kind of put back and forth into a can, but he just spilled it all over the floor. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up. And I just love inserting those little sections of videos of my kiddos. That's probably my favorite part, and one of the biggest reasons why I wanted to do this was just so that I could have, little glimpses of memories to look back on, along with helping you all stay motivated, and also just to shine some light on the fact that motherhood is messy and it's okay to not have it all together all of the time. So next I'm just going to tidy up the kitchen a bit before I start like deep cleaning the fridge. I don't know about you guys, but I really just feel overwhelmed if the kitchen is messy, and I try to start on something new. So I'm just putting the dishes in the dishwasher, and then I'm going to hand wash a few things that wouldn't fit. So I'm sure you guys are about to see me wash this and wonder what in the world it is if you've never seen one before. This is an apple peeler that I got from Amazon. It was really affordable and it is a lifesaver. I wanted to show you guys quickly this dispenser that I got to put my soap in. I had been looking for something for a while and everything on Amazon was a little more expensive, but I found those for $2 each at Family Dollar. And I bought 2 of them, one for my dish soap and one for my hand soap. So now we're moving on to getting this fridge clean. It's pretty disorganized, messy, there's crumbs everywhere, so I'm really excited to take everything out, scrub it down, and get it looking nice again. First, what I'm doing is just going through and taking out any expired items, things that are almost gone, or anything that I know that we won't finish using, and tossing those out, getting them out of my way. I had to slow this clip down because look at the amount of Taco Bell sauce that we are hoarding at the top of our fridge. So as you probably saw in my last video, Lucas is obsessed with this black spider, and here he is again with it. If you guys didn't see my previous video, I definitely recommend to go check it out. It's super cute and it's got some funny clips of my kiddos. So next what I'm doing is just taking my new vacuum to the fridge. It had a lot of crumbs, and this is just the easiest way to get rid of them. Also, I wanted to mention that what I did not film was my bins have like little silicone liners in them, so I did pop all of those out and go ahead and put them in a sink to soak. Here you can see me putting all of those liners back in that I had talked about before I organize my condiments and anything extra that needs to go in these shelves. I decided to readjust the shelf, that way the bottles on the lower shelf would fit better. In this video, you're gonna see that we have like 10 bottles of barbecue sauce. I don't know how we just accumulate so many. My husband does like to cook on his smoker, so we do test and try a lot of different barbecue sauces just to see which one we like best, but yeah, we've got like 6 bottles in there or something. This part of the video was filmed a little bit later in the day. I had every intention of doing an entire kitchen clean with me, but realistically I just could not do that in one day. I had to stop and point out this new coffee creamer for you guys. I recently got this and I think it's probably my new favorite. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, I encourage you to click that subscribe button. I'm going to be uploading every Tuesday and Saturday, so be sure to check back for new videos. I'm going to be doing is using this product on the outside of my fridge. I got it in a Grove Collaborative order, and I really do like it. It doesn't smell the best, but it does make the stainless steel look really shiny. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it and that it gave you some motivation. If it did, be sure to click the thumbs up and subscribe. Also, I just want to remind you guys that I am going to be uploading every Tuesday and Saturday rather than every Monday and Thursday. It just fits a lot better with my schedule. And also, I just wanted to thank you guys so much for supporting me. You guys have made this incredibly fun for me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.